Hey there, tech enthusiasts and savvy card users. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks for 2025. Today, we're diving into something super practical: how to activate your Zaggle card. If you're new to Zaggle or just got your hands on one of these versatile prepaid cards for expenses, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward and only takes a few minutes, but I'll walk you through it step by step to make sure you don't miss a beat. First things first, why activate your Zaggle card? In 2025, it's all about seamless digital payments, security, and easy expense tracking. Once activated, you'll enjoy features like real-time notifications, budget limits, and integration with your favorite apps. To get started, you'll need a few essentials: your Zaggle card in hand, a smartphone or computer, and access to your email or phone for verification. Let's jump into the steps. Step 1. Download the Zaggle app from your device's App Store. It's available for both iOS and Android, and it's free. Once installed, open the app and sign in with your existing account or create a new one if you're a first-timer. Make sure to use a strong password for security. Step 2. Navigate to the Cards section in the app. Here, you'll see an option to add or activate a new card. Enter your card details carefully: the 16-digit card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Double-check for accuracy to avoid any errors. Step 3. Verify your identity. Zaggle will send a one-time code to your registered email or phone number. Enter that code promptly to confirm it's you. This is a key security step to protect your account. Step 4. Once verified, hit the Activate button. You'll get a confirmation message, and your card will be ready to use. Pro tip: link it to your bank account or wallet for instant fund transfers. And just like that, you're all set. Activating your Zaggle card in 2025 is quick, secure, and hassle-free. If you run into any issues, check the app's help section or contact Zaggle support. They're super responsive. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in the next one.